Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalogue, where we bring you the latest home decor and dye ideas. As the new year approaches, it's the perfect time to refresh your space with modern, warm, and eco-friendly wooden decorations. In today's video, we will explore simple yet stunning dye project that you can easily create to give your home a stylish, festive touch. Create custom New Year signs using reclaimed wood or wooden planks. Wooden boards, paint, stickers and brushes can be used. Write Happy New Year or your family's resolution in bold, modern fonts. Use metallic paint for a touch of glam. Add warmth and coziness with dye wooden candle holders, wooden blocks or logs, a drill and a tea light candles. Drill holes to fit the candles, sand the surface and optionally paint or stain the wood. Create a centerpiece by arranging multiple holders of varying heights. Decorate your walls or windows with hanging wooden ornaments, thin wooden slices, twine and paint or markers. Paint stars, snowflakes or geometric patterns. Add a personal touch by writing inspiring quotes for the new year. Capture your favorite moment in a modern wooden photo frame collage. Wooden planks, clips and twine. Attach twine to the planks, hang your photos with clips and mount the frame on the wall. Use this as a memory board for highlight of the past year. Bring life to your decor with a modern wooden shelf adorned with plants, wooden planks, brackets and small potted plants. Install the shelf in your living room or entryway and arrange low maintenance plants like succulent or ferns. Use natural or dark wood for a contemporary look. Build a unique countdown clock for the New Year celebration. Wooden board, clock mechanism and paint. Cut the board into a circular shape, install the clock mechanism and decorate it with modern designs. Make a dye serving tray for New Year celebrations, a wooden board, handles and a drill. Attach handles to the board, sand it smooth and stain or paint it. Perfect for serving snacks and drinks to your guests. With these modern wooden dye projects, you can bring warmth, style and a personal touch to your home as you welcome the new year. These ideas are not only budget friendly but also a great way to repurpose materials. If you enjoyed these dye ideas, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative content. Share your own wooden decor projects in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you.